What's up, guys? Our group and I consist of Jerwin, Patsy, and I are going to teach you guys how to make an expulsion bag. The materials is like we need colored paper. Right here, you see that? That's yellow. And then we need a glue. It doesn't matter, it's one or two. So, and then the second material is cutter to cut your salt. Oh no, I'm joking. To cut the box. So actually, I forgot the box right here. So we need the box to make the explosion box, because there's a box right there, right? And then we need a scissor. This one's good, bro. It's very. And then we need a ruler to we love math, so we gotta use math, whatever we do. And then some like accessories or something. Oh, oh yeah, okay. And then we need pencil.
After you make your own box or bought a box from somewhere, any store, cut all the edges of the box. Use your cutter or scissor to cut the box. Put glue on every part of the box. After you put the glue in, put the colored paper on top of the box. Then after, measure all the length and the width of the box, and then cut the edges of the colored paper. After putting the layer of the colored paper, put the decoration on the colored paper so it looks nice, you know?